everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to the Propz show. And today is gonna be all about blood, sweat and tears, because I love and hate coding at the same time. It drives me nuts that something works and stops working and all over again, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, boy. It was nice, right? Yeah, boy. Let's go. My favorite BTS song. Florence. So, Exterior, welcome and congratulations to your first chatter. I will do this manually. I will update the database manually someday. But yes, another day, another broken bot. Hi, Flooring Dancer, and hi, DMD. How are you doing? And also a very warm hello to everybody else inside the stream. Yeah, I really don't know what to do with myself or with this bot, because we fixed everything yesterday. It was working. We had the credits, the API, the soundboard was working. Everything was working. I just did like it was everything working. And now and today I open the bot and nothing's working. Like it's the same error as yesterday. So this is the problem when you don't know what error caused something, because now I have the same place where the bot stops working and I still don't know how to fix this. Yesterday I changed every file and suddenly it started working, but I don't know. Hey Heike, how are you doing? Welcome back to the stream. Let's go. Yeah, long time no see. Welcome back, Heike. How are you doing, my friend? Yeah, so this annoys the hell out of me and it's driving me nuts, because I really don't know what to do. But maybe we're gonna find out today, because we're only gonna work locally. So sometime, someday, sometimes it should start working. And maybe we can find out where the problem, like the real problem is. Yeah. But I'm kinda lost and very angry, and nah, it's not angry, I'm kind of just driving me crazy. It was funny, like I opened the button, like why isn't this when I open the OBS it should connect via WebSocket and it's not happening. Like why is it not happening? So there's some kind of a deadlock inside the bot where nothing works anymore and nothing happens. Heike, how are you doing? So many tasks over the takeover, so I haven't enough time to come here. Okay, well. Yeah, Heike, I know. There are some days where you just have a lot of stuff to do. Yeah, that's very sad, actually. Guys, let's start as always with daily dev. I think you all know the page, right? I just well, how should the non-working bot post anything? I'm so dumb. So let's go. Bookmark folders. What is this? Ah, this is plus. Okay, this is not important. Reply with your website and we will rate it. This is actually a funny thing. This is funny. A lot of websites to rate here. Maybe I should just post my website down there. A lot of very simple websites, but I don't think that is something bad. But of course, if you want to like land a job or more things, I think the website should be more kind of catchy, I guess. Let's post this in there. And maybe we're gonna rate also some websites from Okay, let's go. I actually think this is a very funny thing. Like, just maybe later we can just rate one website after the other. Maybe this could be some kind of a task for one of the streams. Just rate a shitload of websites. First, I need to open up my. One moment. Okay. Now remember, Ricky, you just changed the company, right? Or rather, they just boxed your company up, so it's a chance for you. Nice. But I will see that I can come here for more often if it works. Yeah, nice. Thank you, Xerial. I'm your manual bot now. Yes. We'll walk the dog now later. See you later, DMD. See ya. Yes, Xerial, you can be the bot for today. I think this is something that I would actually like to make on a stream, like rate all the websites that people post in there, like with some small comments. I don't know. I think I would like that. What about GitHub? He's just posting like over 1,000 contributions for 1 year. Not bad, but it's not 2025, it's 2024. I was just wondering. Three hours watch time, builds a full Google Drive clone. Okay. Tailwind UI is now Tailwind Plus. Is Tailwind UI part of the official Tailwind stuff? Yes. So they are kind of making money from Tailwind Plus, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Let's. Hi, Axel. How are you doing? Welcome. Tailwind Plus. It's a little bit. So they have like complete built UI blocks. I mean, if you use Tailwind a lot, I think this could be a good thing, you know, just ready to use components where you just can copy and paste the classes and everything will just work out. for all the templates? Yeah, maybe. Not interested in any other portfolios today. What the heck is Zig? Zig is a programming language, right? What's the, like, how can you compare Zig to Dino? Okay, so file size from 56 megabytes to 294 kilobytes. Okay, wow. So, okay, this is insane actually. Yeah, totally Excel. Why PHP 8 has high performance? Yeah, why? The just-in-time compiler. Yeah, I'm not sure what it means, but I just heard it should be a lot faster than other PHP versions. Da-da-da. The 34 best Mac menu bar apps, really? Yeah. Explaining network protocols for hackers. Oh, that could be interesting. Yeah, okay. I guess it's fine. Let's just explore a little bit. Actually, it's no. So my website should not be working right now like intended when I'm live. Create beautiful screenshots. I think I've already seen something like this. I mean, there are a lot of tools right now, right? So you can. Capture website. Let's take a look at what this tool actually does. Oh, this works actually pretty nice. And just in place and to repost. Easy, cool. What's the name? Is Postpark app. Is it just one tool from Postpark app? Or is Postpark just about screenshots? It's just about screenshots. Okay, you can also select different templates, like a device mockup, exposed code. This is pretty funny, yes. Let's take a look at all the templates. Yeah. I mean, instead of like opening your own design tool, you can just do it right here. Okay, guys. Enough for daily dev for today. And now we're gonna start with the painful part. So today is just about blood, sweat, and tears. I actually wanted to start learning Laravel. But yesterday we were debugging my bot, my Twitch bot. And everything was working fine, and today nothing was working fine at all. And I'm kind of, it's driving me nuts because I don't know what to do with this thing right here. So yesterday we just found out that there was a problem with this line. Now I'm gonna delete this line because I didn't try this out yesterday because everything was working. Now we're gonna just test if this is enough for the bot to work properly. It's not enough, so this is not the problem. Sedge, I was hoping that this would some kind. So, but now we have to log a lot of things. So I think now maybe there's something to do actually with the Twitch chat. Because we're not receiving any messages from Twitch whatsoever. But he's firing this one here. Connected, let's log a little bit more. Yeah, and the reloading is also not working because we have some, I think we'll call it a deadlock, right? So the bot stops working. Somewhere it's just kind of dies, and we can't finish it off on the like this here. I can just finish off the bot. There is no authentication failure, I guess. I mean, normally when there's something wrong with me calling the Twitch API, Twitch will always give me some kind of an error message. But this is not happening here. This is my, like, one of the biggest problems. Maybe I think this could have something to do with the, I mean, the newest thing that we just built in is the database, right? So maybe there's some kind of a database problem, and just I think one thing that we can just try is to wrap all the queries on in a try catch block to see if there is some kind of error going on. I was thinking about this in the first time, and no, I mean, when all the queries are fine, there is no problem, but maybe there is a problem. I mean, I have already some kind of, so, but the database was initialized, so this is something that is working right here. So this should not be the problem, but I think we will have other parts where. So let's go. Let's go from the beginning. This database. So let's get for the first chapter. Let's go to the try. I think this is the most obvious thing to do. Well, I think this should, maybe there is something related to the database. I don't know, because yeah, nothing's working, but yeah. Needs some kind of error. So what I'm returning here, so we can, as an empty row, object, I guess. Whatever, just return the array. Maybe everything that has to do with the Twitch API also, because I'm seeing here, I'm calling the Twitch API, and there's also no try catch. I think this is, yeah, I think like for the future, this is, I think, some kind of the right thing to do, right? Everything that has to do with external APIs, so also the database, like here. So get quote will return a string. Yes, this is right. Okay. Next one. So the results from every query are gonna be, I think they are gonna be, so the row object is an array. Yes, is it? It's just an array, so I can return an empty array. I think it's like gonna stay the same. So there is a try catch, there is a try catch, get user, there is a try catch, there is no try catch, but this is the prepare statement. This is actually important. I had some problems with the prepared statements for SQLite here, so maybe, I mean, I could just go function by function and see if like I can find some kind of error, but I think this is like the whole point, right? That if there is an error, I just can the bot just starts logging some kind of error. Not needed right here, but yeah, whatever. Get users data. This is also a query. So what am I returning right here? This is a map. I can just go with users. There's a new map, and we can just return users. Because this isn't gonna work, so I think this is just fine. The empty map. Same thing here. Set badges. Let's go. I don't use this function. I think I don't use this function, but whatever. I just want to try catch everything. Everything has to do with some kind of external API. So what about set followers? This is something else, or am I getting this from the Twitch API? This is actually from the Twitch API, but it's a user base. Yeah, I know, Bunkuncha, I know. It's always the same, right? Same thing here. I just hope that there is some kind of an error somewhere so that I can actually see the error message. Bunkuncha, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Try catch everywhere. I think this makes sense, like in the long run, long term. Maybe I can just actually copy exactly this line for the next one. Set user, what about this one? This is a try catch. This is not a try catch. So what is this returning? This is returning some kind of string. Try catch is there. So yeah, now we're getting closer to more like some kind of queries that I actually execute more than others. Let's put this. So what am I returning anything? There is no return in here, yes. So okay. Let's just go with the try catch here. So there is already save file. Is also trying to save. This is working. Also try catch. Now the init database also a try catch, and now the cleanup database as well. So we have a lot of. I think we have try catches everywhere here. And this is like the file that does the most of the communication between the Twitch API and also our newly created database. So let's just give it a run and we hope that we get some kind of an error right now. Please. Please, no error. Yeah, nah. So this didn't help at all. At least let's say for the bot data. Yeah, I know. So this file is maybe not the problem. At least we're not getting any errors. Let's go to version 159. We have try catch everywhere. Do we? Could this be one problem? I mean, we have all the rights for the M file, so this shouldn't be a problem. Let's continue to the next one. So this isn't a problem. What about, so I'm looking for external connections, I guess. Let's go to the API. No, this is the request. This is not what we're... No, this is not the right file. Set stream. Start ads. So I had actually the start rate command that I just built. Hey Fumin, welcome on in. How are you doing? Yeah, but I think this sometimes this failed already. So when the user does not want to be rated, the start rate command will fail, and I guess I'm gonna get an error message from there. Maybe this is something that I can use for actually, yeah, but it's not for today. So. Language stream, get stream uptime. Get user score. Oh, this is an error I'm just seeing right now. Should be text. Get stream. This is just for the API, right? Just rebuilding the stream object. Not important. Just custom. So I was looking for the API, right? So am I calling the API somewhere here? Outside of a try catch block. Like this. But I think this is all, like all the places. Let's see. Let's look again for API in all the files so we can actually rule out everything that is some kind connecting any external source like Twitch or whatever. This is one. Gonna be a fun stream. Yesterday we already spent hours on debugging everything. So try catch. Another one. And what about this one? This one. Is this a double try catch? It is actually. I think if I don't need a double try catch, right? He's gonna catch it anyways. Woman, what about your project? So you're having some troubles with the LEDs? There is a try catch, there is a try catch. Same thing here. Same thing here. Ooh, what about this one? Yeah, there is a try catch. Switch inside, same thing. This could be something. I'm not handling this one properly. What about the other ones? There is a try catch. Same here. What about the aux provider? Let's do like this. I don't know. I just deleted the one. Try to activate audio reactive, and in the settings there's no user mod option, but it should. Oh, okay, that sucks. Oh, I have a lot of calls actually to the API without try catch. I'm just seeing this right now in the commands. So, but the chat is now clear. What about utils? There's always a try catch. You know what? I'm just gonna... Oh, there is a try catch for the API also, and there's also a try catch, but not in the other parts. So I guess I'm gonna try catch the whole block. Yeah, this is the right one. Bam, bam. Yeah, this is all awesome. This is the last one. At least for the API. Okay. Welcome back, TMG. How was the run? How was the run with the dog? Or did you run or just a chill walk? Okay, next. I mean, I have like try catches everywhere right now. Not in the front end. What about fetch? Try catch. There is a try catch. That's nice. There's another one. Nice. What about this one? There is a try. Yes, nice. What about the media? Oh, there is a try catch. What about the weather? Also try. So not everywhere, of course. Everything that's to do with the Twitch API was just like, whatever, just leave it there and it's just gonna work. But it's not. There is always a try catch there. Is this inside a try catch? No, this isn't. So let's go. What about here? Also try catch. I really hope just to get some part, something of an error message. It would be the best thing that could happen to me right now. Just get some kind of an error message. I think I'm done right now. Let's go. Let's go again. I'm not getting anything. Why? Dude. Yeah, I mean, Xero, that was the first step, right? So if there would be some kind of an error regarding any kind of API, I mean, probably the bot would like crash with an error message without catching it, maybe. But I think for me was the first step to actually make sure that every kind of external connection has some kind of try catch. So for me, this was the first step. Now, actually, there is like what you're writing. There is no other solution for me right now. We have to do exactly as you said. So we have to put logs everywhere, like everywhere, to see where this actually stops. But I just forgot that this is phase 2 now. So we have the bug, so we can actually make some kind of an, let's go make breakpoints. So the first thing that we for sure know is that this part here is not working. We can now just try to debug with the, maybe we will find something else. There are no errors if the bot doesn't even connect to a third party. Yes, you're right. But let's go to phase 2. Let's start the debug mode. So now we're just there. The database was successfully initialized. We are already listening to events. Let's go inside this. So I think this line isn't gonna work, but the thing is why. So the API is there. The chat is some kind of there. Commands are already here. Events. First chatter is Xerial. I think it's from yesterday. Focus is dev. Bam. So stream is undefined. Let's go. Step into, maybe. This is the problem. No, it's not. But why? What is happening here? This data username I'm just stepping into everything. I don't know. So the user is right here. It's Propz TV. This is working. So what about the get streams? Now it's gonna the API call is gonna happen. So filter is what? We have username, Propz, and nothing else. Create pagination. This is not important, I think. Or is it? Oh, this is actually some... let's restart this. I'm not very experienced in debugging this way, but whatever. Is the debugger dead or what? Ah yeah, it is dead. Or not? So let's go to the create pagination query. So after, before, and limit are all undefined. Ah, now we're actually calling the API. Ah, okay, okay. So what is this? We have options. The query is type helix. We're gonna game ID user login. There is a user login. There's Propz. Okay, so the data is kind of there. Get user ID from request context. Let's go. Request context user ID is undefined. This is a problem. Can I go back? Now it's just trying to get the access token. Access token is expired. Okay. Hahaha. Call it by using initial token. So is this probably the problem, that the access token is expired? But I mean, if there is some problem with the authentication, then at least this is what I've already learned with this library, which will give me some kind of an error message like this, that something isn't working, so he just can't hang himself. But the access token wasn't expired, right? It's just a check. Next, let's go to the next breakpoint. There is a breakpoint. Let's step into it. Is my access token actually expired? The token is there. So what are we gonna return? Access token is expired is false. This is good. Call API using initial token. Let's go. No, this is not my code. This is the code for the library. This is not my code, but I'm just trying to see if I can find some place where some kind of call isn't working or why. There's some kind of deadlock inside the bot, and I have no clue where to look for. So the auth provider is there. The client is also there. Or, okay, maybe you guys can help me out. So they have logger, this logger debug here. Can I somehow activate the debug logs for the underlying libraries? I don't know how to do this because they are logging some kind of things like the request body, the query, calling the API and whatnot. And so they have debug. They have this logger with debug. How can this maybe this is something with the library, right? So maybe I can just take a look if I can somehow activate this debugger so I can see all the calls that he's doing. This is Twirple. So what about the bug? Or is this how I can start? Like I need to start a bot with some kind of parameter that he starts logging all the things. Ah, there's a logger. No, this is a custom logger. Ah, there's the log level. Okay. There are multiple ways of configuring the log level of the logger included in the various Twirple packages. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, the logger used by Twirple supports configuration used on an environment variable called logging. The loggers are separated. Blah, blah, blah. This is actually what I want, yes. All classes that log messages have support for a logger. Ah, okay, this is good to know. But let's go with this one. I wanna just try out to see like all the log messages. Let's quit this one. Maybe we can. Maybe I'm not sure if it has something to do with Twirple, but whatever. I think now we're gonna have a shitload of log messages. And the first run, I'm not gonna show you the logs because I don't know what they are gonna log. Let's go again with the what? Bam. Oh yes, Okay. We're receiving data. Payloads. Now we have some connection password, receive message, capabilities, sending message. Connection established. Okay, this is interesting. I mean, now we're getting a lot of messages. So what does happen when I go? So nothing more happens. What does cap end means? What does that mean? I'm not sure if I'm gonna find here something. Maybe this has something to do with purple. Let's. Of course, I can't find anything in the node modules. I still don't know shit. I have like all the logs that are there, but I can't see anything that would help me right now. I'm so lost right now. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's build our own log. I know, it's fine. I'm just gonna keep. I'm still kind of fucked. I still have no clue where to look for. I'm gonna try out something different. Let's go to the, maybe try to rule out the database. So I'm gonna actually try to create a new one. Let's create this here. Hey Marty, how are you doing? Let's go again. Of course, I have like no token data. Yeah, this is a problem. This is not a problem, wait. So he just created a new one. Hey Yo-Yo, welcome, how are you doing? So let's create a new one. And another one, let's go again. Oh, now I receive a whole lot more of messages here. So is the problem maybe the... Ah, this sucks. This is something... Yeah, this is something related to the database. Okay, just give me a minute. I need to copy the... So this is related to the database. This is actually some kind of a problem. Maybe the database is locked. Okay, one more try just to be sure. Let's go again. This is working fine, I guess. Yeah, okay, this is super strange. Okay, okay. Okay, so we actually know it has something to do with the database. Something. Maybe with the refreshing token from Twitch. Maybe with the refreshing token from Twitch. So then it seems to work, but I mean, I'm not getting any error message at all. How should I debug this? Like, I have no clue where to look for. Yeah, the thing is, yeah, so this is the function where it kind of breaks and it can't finish the bot in it. From Kuncha. So when something is broken, it will not get to this line. It will kind of hang in there. But if we're talking about the init, then we're talking, of course, about the database. Of course, this is async. So I'm not waiting for the... So this is async. I'm not waiting for... For the actual... Maybe this, if I would like to maybe on a wait, maybe he just would hang in there. I mean, I can't debug this right now because now it's working. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So maybe it's the database, maybe. But I mean okay, I know it's not the inner database because the database always gets initialized perfectly. So I'm just preparing some statements, and at the end of this, I'm just saying database initialize, and it's done. So this always gets logged. So it's nothing's happening here, I guess. There's somewhere later, but what about the journal file? So SQLite journal file. So I think maybe the bot is trying to write to the database, but the database is locked and I'm not getting any. So such journal files do not need to be distributed. This is because the various journal files represent temporary data. So I think maybe there's some kind of open transaction. It's just running locally. It's not working for the chat, Barnabas. But welcome to the stream. DMD, maybe you can refund him. So I'm gonna stop the bot here right now. So let's stop the bot. Yeah. So now I'm gonna open the bot remotely. So here you can see the database gets initialized and then it hangs somewhere else. But if we compare so this is something, so I'm suspicious that this could be the problem. So we have a bot data SQL journal. This means that there is some kind of transaction that was not finished. So this newly created, like AliExpress always triggers me, already ordered again, okay. So maybe one of you guys know this. So this is just a guess, right? That the database is some kind of locked and I can like access the data properly. If I stop the bot and delete the journal, or is it gonna delete itself? No. Let's delete the journal. Let's do it again. No. still not working, so well, what about hi Godric, how are you doing? Welcome. Okay, why don't you debug on the server? I can't, yeah. How can I like debug this properly on the server? Godric, how? I'm not sure how. I mean, I can upload data, restart the bug, and see what's going on there, but wait a minute. So I'm gonna take a look at something else right now. Let's go again. You can open SSH connection from VS Code to the server and then run. Ah, really? Oh, this is actually sick. I never did it. But wait a minute. Let's go here. I want to check something. So something about the authentication. I just want to check if the March 4. So I have a guess. Yeah, just wait a minute, please. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. So. I think I need a pause right now. I'm just kind of lost right here, and it's getting real warm inside this room, and I need to put on the AC. But so how Okay, wait. How did the bot started working? It started working after I deleted after I redid the authentication file and recreated the database. So this is something that I can test, got it really quick inside the server, because I'm gonna force the bot to recreate the authentication code. So if this is the reason, it should start working right away. Yeah, but whatever, guys. I need a break. I need a break, and I'm gonna come back later, and maybe we can figure this out. It really is driving me nuts, and the thing, I don't know why there is no error message. I mean, I think this is the biggest part that is driving me nuts, because I'm expecting some kind of error message or the bots to like crash for real, but it's not. It's just deadlocking somewhere. I think this is the hardest bug I've ever had here, and it's just because I'm switched to fucking SQLite database. I should stay with the JSON files, right? And somewhere there is just locking. Yeah, I know. So the set user. Yeah, this is the thing, Bomkuncha. I was not awaiting some functions, but I think the init function, I think there is something that you said about it. Maybe there's something missing there, but it's super hard to debug. And the bug logs for the main package, the library, weren't helping at all. So they have a lot of debug message, and they're not helping. There's just a crazy deadlock. It's crazy. Whatever. Guys, small pause. I'm gonna make some coffee. I'm gonna go to the toilet. So give me a little bit more, about 10 minutes, and then come back later. And then maybe we're gonna figure this out. It's driving me nuts. I don't know. I would like to cry right now, but it's not today. It's later off stream, okay? So guys, see ya. And thanks for staying with me here. Thanks for trying to help me. Let's go, guys. I just need to write a message. Let's wake up here. Let's debug this shit. Let's go. Fix. Yeah, I know, Marty. I know. Fix your damn shit. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So, it's time to fix our damn shit. So, let's go. So, I am thinking something about the authentication, but not the re-authentication, you know? We have a so-called refreshing authentication here, so it refreshes itself. But it's not Morty, no, it's yours too. So let's see. So we have another in a database here. Oh, what is this here? I'm closing the database after creating. This could be bad, I'm not sure. He's reopening it. Maybe. So, this was the first function that I created. When, like, initializing the database, this was the first thing that I was trying to build for the database. So now I think that this is the problem, because the database is locked while it could be a problem, because this is working. It's not a problem to get the data from, but I mean you guys know better than me, so let's go to the, is it possible to open multiple connections to SQLite DB? Read-only access. Yeah, the thing is, Marty, because these are different files. So I have the normal bot data, and there I don't close it all the time. But this one is separated from bot data, and I just need to get the token data once when I start the bot, and then refresh the token data when the data gets refreshed. So this is the reason why I close the connection, because I don't need to keep it open. Not like normally. But this was the first thing that I did with the database. And reading, it's not a problem. And also creating is not a problem. This is working. Like reading and writing the data is working. But what about updating the data? because the Twitch, this file is the first one that's gonna be executed. So way before the other data file, you know? You know how yes modules works? Maybe not. I don't know. I mean, I know from PHP that everything is loaded inside the memory and then executed. Like load first, execute later. I'm not sure how this works for the ES modules. If you have a database module, there you can open the database. The first time a module is imported, the database will open, and all other times you only get the instance. Yeah, this, like, I mean, this is the other idea, yes? So maybe I need to create a database module before everything else, and then pass the database to every other module. This is what you're implying, yes, Martin? I know what you mean. So, but I mean, I would like so is this the problem? I don't know if anyone can help me right now, but I think this could be the problem, that the database is locked afterwards. But ChatGPT just told me that it's possible to open multiple connections. Maybe, right? Yeah. Maybe. Okay, there was it. So before I change anything here, I am gonna try the most obvious thing to check if the bot is actually working. So what did I change here? Let's close everything up. Oh, I actually... Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I need to... Thank you, Xarian. But you must not pass the connection to your modules, you must simply import it in your modules. You mean the database module itself. Like if I create a new database model, right? I don't need to pass the connection. Because you said it's only get the instance. Yeah, but just wait a minute. I need to create a new authentication token. And I'm gonna pass this authentication token to the server. No, I have never seen it. You know that I don't have a deep knowledge about those kind of stuff, right? So maybe this is the problem with this project right now. Why I just can't debug this. Okay, wait, so I need... Wait, just a minute. I need to clear the authentication data. Okay. Let's clear this up. Re-upload it. So now I think the bot should work. See just if there is any error. Yeah. So yes, this is exactly what I've said. So there is some kind of problem with the authentication data, because when it has to create a new one, it works. This is not working, this is not working, the chat is working. So now everything is working with new data. Ooh, okay, so but we know, okay, I think now we actually know where the problem is, where the problem sits. So, how, why? Yeah, why? 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 And I think this, the authentication data actually gets refreshed quite a lot. Okay, let's go. I mean, Marty, this, the database here, the instance is imported, right? But when I open up the Twitch authentication, I start up the database. So open it up, execute the creation of the tables, and insert an empty value. Close up the database. Because I don't need the connection anymore. Then Yeah, this is the exactly same query. So this is where I'm actually gonna start log things right now. So we're gonna go with init of database. This is working. Token data from... No, this is it working? I guess it is. Yeah, token data from Trish is working. Token data from database is working, but the refreshing part isn't. So this part here, actually. Let's go with start refreshing. And stop refreshing. Ah, and of course I don't have try catch inside this file here. So I was adding try catch to all the parts. But not to this one. So this is the last